Stella. But because today is the birthday of Stella, special day today, can we give one more light to Stella? Yes! Hey, Stella! Pass the balloon, go! Let's who's the last one? Boy also. What is your name? Jacob. You want to say to Jacob? Say bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Sama na kayo.
Okay. Move a little bit backward here. Okay. Stella? Okay, now all girls here. Pass the balloon.
Kali, I'm here.
Go! Go! What is your name? Sorry, what is your name? Ian. So what does Ian say? Bye-bye. Did you hear that, Ian? Did you go away? Sagot you go away, Ian. Okay, four girls here.
One more.
Go, Kali. Go, Kali. The balloon. Go.
Balik yung anak.
What is your name? Irene. So what do you say to her? Say, bye-bye. Good job. Give me a high five. Thank you so much. See you later. Okay. So only three girls here. Stella, hold this one. Somebody else is there. Here. Two. Okay. Stella. Pass the balloon. Go! Let's go, Peter! Okay, so what did you say to her? Say, bye-bye! Good job, Stella! Thank you so much. Have a seat for a while. Okay, for these two girls. Before you pass the balloon, I will give a twist. Round this balloon in your body. Look, Stella. Here. And then, pass. Thank you, Stella. Okay, that's right. And then, okay, only one time only, and then pass. Okay, one time only, and then pass. Okay, pass. Okay, again. Okay. Stop. Okay, we will start now. Hold the balloon and pass. Go. Good, well done. Let's go. All right, good job.